On one snowy Christmas Eve, after Santa had taken flight, one special elf noticed a gift that had fallen, left lying out of sight. So he left the North Pole, with no moment to spare, to return the lost gift with tender care. He travelled through the land of dirt and clay, where dozers rumbled, clearing paths all day, through a sea of swirly, twirly rebar, twisting and bending like candy canes from afar. He passed towering steel, like a tree full of cheer, reaching for the stars as Christmas drew near. He made his way through a quarry, where the blasts echoed loud. The stone was crushed like snow, and it covered the ground.
Come on, man, you have to get out the way. We have work to do.
What?
I said, come on, man, let's go. We have work to do.
Are you grumpy?
Let's go, man. Let's just go.
Do you need a hug?
Don't give me a hug.
I think you need a hug.
Don't give me a hug. I don't need a hug.
And every time it rains, and it's from heaven.
Shooby-dooby,
Don't you know each cloud is panties from heaven?
shooby-dooby.
You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down, and trade them for a package of sunshine and ravioli.
Macaroni,
If you want the things you love, you must have a pizza, holy baby. And when you hear thunder, don't run under a tree. There'll be pennies from heaven for you and me. Now come over here, boy, Sam. And every time it rains, it rains. And don't you know it's crocodile? Every time it rains, it rains. And don't you know it's crocodile? You'll find your fortune falling all over town, all over town, all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down, we live up. How about those hills, right? You got out my hundred. Yo, super hood, super hood. Oh, bottle of boys, oh. Yeah, mama,
After a long and tough journey, Buddy spots something shining in the distance. A big red K, just like the one on the gift Santa left behind. He's finally made it, and with no time to delay, Buddy storms off. As Buddy approaches the building, he notices the door is locked. He mutters to himself.
What do I do now?
I usually have better luck with the chimney.
And so, thanks to Buddy's unshakable spirit and determination, Christmas was saved. As the snow falls softly and the holiday magic fills the air, we wish you peace, joy, and a season full of wonder. Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night.